What's good, everybody? So today I'm gonna be taking off the hardtop. It's been like the weather's been pretty nice lately, and you know, I kind of just want to be topless for a little bit, and then for the Honda Fest I'll put it back on. So I'll probably rock it without the hardtop for like this entire week, and then put it back on for Honda Fest. But we gotta take the hardtop off and we gotta clean the car because my car is super dirty. I don't know what's going on tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna go to Sevens Day tonight. I don't drive an RX-7, so it's like, you know, kind of pointless. But AutoCon is this weekend, and I'm still on the fence if I want to put my car in the show or not. Man Paul, who was MP Built, he was telling me he could get me in. All I have to do is just pay 50 bucks. That's basically like reserving my VIP spot, so I don't know. But we're gonna figure something out. I don't know. I don't really feel like bringing this car all the way to New York, to be honest with you, because those roads are really bad, but I don't know. Like I said, I'm not really a big fan of indoor car shows, but even though it's not indoors, but shit is aggy. I think this is the worst part about owning a hardtop. It's like when you want to take it off, you gotta do all this extra work to get it off. So right now that's what I'm doing. I'm bolting it. I already did the other side. Alright, so I just finished unbolting it, and now I'm gonna take it off. You guys probably seen me take this hardtop off like 50 times already. Alright, so I'll put the soft top back on for right now. Now let's just wash the car. I'm gonna do a quick wash. I ain't gonna do super in-depth and none of that stuff. Just gonna wash it, maybe do a time lapse. I don't know, we'll see. But let's get this car clean because it is so dirty, bros. Alright, so we're gonna use the wash and wax from Adam's Polishes. I haven't gotten to use it yet, so I'm gonna definitely try it today and see how it comes out. Alright, so I already soaped down the car, as you guys can see. The sun is kind of drying it up a little bit, but I'm about to foam it, then wipe it down one more time, and then we should be good to go. Drop top gang again. Woo, I'm about to go get some gas because this car is on E. Man Paul just hit me up asking if I was coming out to New York City today. I don't know, guys. I really don't know. I want to go, but I'm not 100% sure on it. I don't know. I don't really feel safe driving my car out there. Mark's calling me. Alright, we just made it to the gas station. Your boy gotta fill up, man. Gotta fill up. Whew. It's hot out, but it's pretty nice out for the drop top though. What's up, man?
water?
Fill it up, super.
Super, right. Okay, no problem. Accept the card and new card.
Same card.
Wow.
Sheesh. The S looks so good, bruh. So good. I don't know, guys. What do y'all think? It still needs way more adjusting, but it looks kind of cool. Look at how much gap there is now, which means I don't have to run any camber. I could just straighten it out, put some nice meaty tires on there, and boom. Same things when I get the fronts. So you guys let me know. That highly official merch. She out here flexing. Ooh. Ooh. When we gonna put the highly official sticker on the Lexus? Huh. He looked at it angry. I think I gotta do it. Ah. It's okay, S. We got you all filled up and everything today. Woo. My baby. Ah, you so close to 100, Jesus. Ah, I don't want to do it. Whew. Oh man. I buffed the car out, washed it. This thing was good. She over there matching the S. Matching squad. Yeah. Get you a girl who supports your car more than you support it. So now she don't support this car more than me. What's good, gang? Alright, so I'm trying to get back on my daily upload wave. Tomorrow's AutoCon, so if you guys are gonna be out there, make sure you guys come check your boy out. Alright, I'm not gonna be bringing the S2000. I wanted to, but I'm not gonna bring it. I'm just gonna go there, film for you guys, and meet up with all my friends and just have a good time. Like I said, 10,000 subscriber giveaway is still on, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Alright, make sure you guys go watch that S2000 trailer, man. Let's get those numbers up. Let's get all these numbers up. Make sure you guys share it with your friends. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Alright, Phyllis do K for president. It's like, nah. I'm out though, I'm tired. Peace.